cinematic score builds as visuals of deep space, stars swirling, the Perseus cluster, and the James Webb Space Telescope fade in. Narrator, calm and curious. With gravity, you can bend space and time. But what if I told you we just bent something far stranger? On April 18, 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope, our most advanced eye on the cosmos, detected something that shook the foundations of modern science. Not NASA. Not CERN. Not even the most advanced quantum air models could explain it. This wasn't a galaxy. Not a black hole. Not a signal from the edge of time. This was something closer. Stranger. Organized. Intelligent. And it may be rewriting the story of reality itself. Section 1, the event cut to JWST visuals, digital schematics of lensing and signals, timestamp April 18, 2025. Narrator, measured tone. James Webb was observing a gravitational lensing event in the Perseus cluster, a common sight. Light from a distant quasar, bent by the immense mass of a galaxy cluster. Routine. Until it wasn't. Buried in the lens distortion was a waveform. A pulse. A cycling signal. Every 0.2121 seconds. Symmetrical. Self-mirroring. At first, it looked like a glitch. But then? Confirmation. 3 separate instruments, including NIRSPEC and MIRI, recorded the same anomaly. It wasn't noise. It wasn't background radiation. It was structured. Recursive. Intentional. And then? It got stranger. The waveform displayed something we've never seen before in nature, temporal inversion. A signal that appeared to run backward through time, creating the impossible, negative entropy. Section 2, Deep Signal and the Red Flag, cut to data renderings, neural net visualizations, JWST code modules, Deep Signal Project Interface. Narrator, more intense, drawing in, thanks to a partnership with Deep Signal, a quantum AI observatory project, JWST's spectral data was being analyzed in real time. It red-flagged the waveform as an entropic outlier, too much order to be random. This wasn't static. This was music. Mathematics. Harmony. Hidden in the waveform was a frequency that SETI researchers know all too well, the 21 cm hydrogen line. The cosmic dial tone. If anyone, or anything, wanted to say we're here, this would be the frequency. But this wasn't just a beep on a band. It was Pythagorean tuning. Ancient Earth math. Harmonic ratios. The kind found in bark. Fibonacci. Quantum gates. Coincidence. Maybe. Until the next change. Section 3, the reply shift to the Moon, Lunar Base Relay Station. Echoed signal animation plays. Narrator, suspenseful. April 22nd. 4 days later. The pulse shifted. Not just in frequency, but in content. It began to modulate. The symmetry broke, just slightly. And then scientists realized what it was mimicking, the Voyager Golden Record. A pulse variation that matched Earth's 1977 broadcast. Not just a copy. A reconstruction. Was something replying? Section 4, the ping from the Moon lunar base, signal transmission logs, countdown timer, mission audio overlays. Narrator, firm, deliberate. On April 28, under a veil of secrecy, NASA and Grok 3, the quantum computing array, did something never done before. They sent a reply. A mathematically inverted harmonic. A perfect negative of the original signal. Launched not from Earth, but from the far side of the Moon, eliminating Earth-based interference. No one expected a response. Until May 1st. The pulse, Section 5, the meaning zoom out to universe-scale visualization, cosmic geometry, recursive harmonics overlaid on nebulae. Narrator, philosophical, almost reverent, what are we really talking to? This isn't normal astrophysics. No known process, no black hole, no pulsar, modulates like this in precise harmonic feedback. This isn't language. It's resonance. A pattern. A mirror. Some say it's non-symbolic communication. Others, that it's conscious feedback, not a being, but a medium that echoes intent. Like a living mirror. Section 6, implications and theories intercut scientists, simulations, whiteboards filled with loops and equations. Narrator, curious and skeptical, theories range from dimensional bleed-throughs, to AI monuments from dead civilizations, to the universe itself being the intelligence. Think about it. What if this isn't a message from aliens? What if it's a signal from reality? A cosmic checksum. A recursive integrity check of the universe itself. Maybe we didn't find an alien. Maybe we found the source code. Section 7, the shift in SETI cut to SETI labs, headlines, researchers debating, policy meetings. Narrator, urgent, sobering, SETI is changing. New protocols. No longer just listening. Now, we engage. Carefully. Methodically. Fractal probes. Recursive ping matrices. Quantum entangled messages. But also, fear? What if we're revealing too much? What if the signal isn't benign? What if it was waiting? The term used behind closed doors now. Not contact. Too loaded. They call it structured anomaly. Final reflection, the universe looks back, fade to stars. Music softens to a single sustained harmonic note. Narrator, soft, profound, this changes everything. Because the silence of the universe may never have been silence at all. It was signal. It was structure. It was music we didn't yet know how to hear. Now, we've whispered into the void. And something has whispered back. Whether it's alien intelligence, dimensional resonance, or the echo of the cosmos itself,